Let's explore the powerful world of giants in the forestry industry. From cutting-edge chainsaws that chop wood to vehicles that brave difficult terrain, we'll bring you closer to the powerful machines that continue to push the industry forward. Are you ready to feel the power and magic of these machines? Don't miss the opportunity to experience it. Subscribe to the channel now to explore these interesting things with us. The timber harvester tractor, a powerful monster on forest land, overcomes all difficult terrain to pull down large blocks of wood. With the skilled hands of Ivan, a talented excavator operator, uprooting an old tree stump with a diameter of 1 meter only takes about 2 hours, as easy as uprooting a grass. With his professionalism and experience, Ivan ensures this process is carried out quickly and accurately. It gives you a clean and clear property with a comprehensive cleaning service, starting at an extremely reasonable price, just $60 per 1,000 square feet. The echoing sound of the chainsaw tore through the quiet space, signaling a dramatic performance, defeating 2 green giants of the pine tree. In the cold winter, in a cramped space, 2 green pine trees with a height of up to 30 meters and a diameter of about 1 meter each stand tall, as if challenging all limits. Cutting work becomes more arduous than ever, requiring the skill and experience of the worker. With their characteristic jade green color and majestic appearance, the 2 green pine trees are like living statues in nature. Make a giant cookie? It's as easy as turning your hand. With the strength of a warrior, the dual-action wood splitter easily tears stubborn logs, becoming a powerful arm for mini excavators from 30 to 50 quintals. Wood splitting machine with opening from 65 chem to 135 km has the ability to flexibly process many sizes of wood, meeting all needs. Modern design and outstanding performance make this log splitter a trusted companion for loggers. The guy gets pinned and quickly realizes that no one can save him but himself. John Deere 1170E, a mighty warrior in the world of harvesters, with its heart being a powerful 194 horsepower engine and its steel arm being a CH6 hydraulic lever. Equipped with the H414 harvesting head, the 1170E reaches up to 11.3 meters, easily holding the tallest tree branches, with a terrible lifting capacity of up to 121,700 ft. Fort. With the intelligent Timbermatic H9 system, the 1170E works as efficiently and accurately as a skilled craftsman. The automatic cleaning and central lubrication system helps the machine always operate stably, minimizing machine downtime and saving maintenance costs. In a busy woodworking workshop, Hockey Pilk 2XS Plus appears as a silent hero, making work easier and more efficient. Capable of cutting logs up to 50 chem long, creating precise cuts and saving materials. The machine can process up to 12 tons of firewood per day without fatigue, thanks to its powerful motor and durable construction. With the ability to work continuously, Hacky-Pilk 2XS Plus helps improve productivity and support completing work quickly and effectively. The sound of saws screeching tore through the air. Even experienced lumberjacks couldn't help but feel heart-stopped when they saw the giant red pine tree falling. Have you ever used this Hacky-Pilk 2XS Plus machine? The JCB3CX Grey Cab Sitemaster Excavator, with 92 horsepower and 1.2 m bucket capacity, is ideal for digging and removing large, deep-rooted stumps. Maximum digging depth of 5.46 m and moving speed of up to 40 km/h help the machine operate quickly and effectively. With a weight of 8.1 tons and an optimal hydraulic system, JCB3CX operates durably, saving time and costs. Come to Levisepi Magnum, the Superman who removes tree stumps and is an effective assistant to the forestry industry. With a strength of 20 tons, Levisepi Magnum easily handles any tree stump, no matter how big or small, no matter how deep the roots are. Firm grip, extending up to 90 km, helps Levisepi Magnum embrace every tree stump without missing any roots. In just 3-5 minutes, Levisepi Magnum can resolve a tree stump, bringing outstanding working efficiency. This equipment is perfect for land clearing, logging, or reforestation projects. With winter coming, the use of firewood is increasing. The Region R3 Firewood processor will bring you the optimal solution for splitting firewood, bringing a warm winter. This machine is capable of splitting large logs into suitable pieces of firewood, saving time and effort. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and an automatic system, Region R3 easily processes different types of wood, from soft to hard. In order to solve the problem of removing tree stumps easily without having to use too much force, we bring you an interesting method when using Harbor Freight electric winch to pull tree stumps. It will save you time and effort and save your family money. Greenline, Festook Goo, a tiny 3-5 places to start the journey of turning wood into useful wood products. The excavator, with its sturdy iron forks, gently lifts the heavy logs and places them on the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt, at a moderate speed, carries the logs steadily. Both excavators and conveyors play an important role in ensuring a continuous supply of wood for the next stages of production. In 2017, in Montrose, GA logging at Hill Logging was recorded with a DJI Phantom 4, and it was incredible. Aerial shots show the enormous scale of the work, with modern logging machinery and giant trucks transporting the wood. This is a new and extremely impressive way to harvest wood. This is the logging machine you will need when facing tough challenges. Komatsu 895, a true and durable logging machine. With great power from its 250 horsepower engine, it easily handles tough jobs in the woods. Whether sawing or moving large amounts of wood, this device does it all well, with an extremely precise pickup and cut system. Its maneuverability makes it easy to glide through difficult terrain while maintaining high performance. Check out the CAT 525 picker, a 115 horsepower, absolute precision beast, designed to conquer any condition. It easily glides through the mud, using its grip to grasp the logs without moving a bit. This is logging at its peak, full of power and precision down to every detail. Images of logging trucks in the Montrose. GA Woods are more than just transport machines. They are true road warriors. With a powerful engine of up to 400 horsepower and a load capacity of up to 40 tons, they can carry tons of wood through bumpy, muddy roads without any difficulty. These vehicles are designed to withstand extreme pressure, from moving through difficult terrain to handling large volumes of timber. Tractor JCB is truly doing wonders pulling up huge tree stumps. With tremendous power, this machine easily lifts large tree stumps as if they were just grains of sand, proving that no task is too difficult for JCB.